Allergic. Oh, that was a sneaky one. Any casualties?
Are you sick or something?
Nah, I feel fine. Come on, guys, it was just a sneeze.
I think you have developed an allergy to Ami here.
Oh,
Even if he's right, so what?
There, that should do the trick. Or maybe not.
how are we gonna pull off a show without Yumi sneezing and blowing the audience out into the street?
Well, back to the drawing board. And now, I will find you another partner to perform with, this time one that is more hypoallergenic. Don't cry.
I'm not crying, bean curd brain. My eyes are watering.